Hi, this is Sonia Doucette. In this video, I'll show you how to determine the molecular formula once you have the empirical formula. And remember, you can determine that empirical formula using empirical data from some kind of laboratory experiment. So to start this problem, we do have the empirical formula. So this says that the empirical formula of hyponitrite is NO, and its molar mass is 60.02 grams per mole. What is the molecular formula for hyponitrite? So you have the empirical formula for hyponitrite, and you also have the molar mass of hyponitrite. So what you need to realize when you start this problem is that a molecular formula is always going to be a whole number multiple of the empirical formula. So to get that whole number multiple, which we'll call n, what you want to do is you want to divide the compound's molar mass, which you're given here. So this is the molar mass of the actual compound, which is represented by the molecular formula. You want to divide that by the empirical formula mass. So the general equation here to find that whole number multiple n, you want to divide the compound's molar mass by the empirical formula molar mass. So you're given the compound's molar mass, and that is 60.02 grams per mole. What you're not given is the empirical formula molar mass, but you are given the empirical formula. You're told that that is NO. So what you can do is look up the atomic mass for nitrogen, N, and the atomic mass for oxygen, O, in the periodic table and add them together. So nitrogen is 14.01 grams per mole and oxygen is 16.00 grams per mole. So when you do the math here, what you get for your N value is going to be 2. So then you take that whole number multiple and multiply the subscripts in the empirical formula. So here's our empirical formula. So in this case, the subscripts, because there aren't any written, they're an implied 1. So you multiply both of those subscripts by 2 to get the molecular formula. So your molecular formula will be N2O2. So that is going to be the molecular formula for hyponitrite.